Have you ever wondered if you could create something so cute and practical on your own? Today, I'm here to show you that you absolutely can. We're going to crochet a tulip-shaped AirPods pouch that not only keeps your AirPods safe from scratches and dust, but also adds a lovely springtime flair to your everyday essentials. Once you're done, you'll have a handmade piece that's perfect to gift to friends or simply brighten up your own day. Don't worry if you're new to crochet. Take it step by step, and before you know it, you'll have a beautiful piece you can be proud of. Let's get started. Here's what you need. Yarn in your chosen colors, one for the flower and one for the leaf, or multiple colors for a multicolored look. A crochet hook, 2.5 millimeters, 3.0 scissors, a yarn needle for weaving ends and attaching the hanging string, and stitch markers if desired. We'll use several basic stitches and techniques throughout this project. Magic ring. To start a closed circle, single crochet SC, half double crochet HDC, double crochet DC, double crochet 2 together, DC2 tog, a decreasing stitch, increase ink, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, chain, stitch, is optional, slip stitch SLST if you use it for joining. Make yourself comfortable and don't worry if you're new. I'll guide you step by step. Begin with the flower. Round 1, make a magic ring, then 6 single crochets into that ring. Pull it tight. Round 2, 6 increases, meaning 2 SC in each stitch around, totaling 12 stitches. If you're worried about losing your place, use a stitch marker at the first stitch of each round. For rounds 3 through 7, simply work 12 single crochets in each round without any increases or decreases. Keep your tension even. If it's curling, loosen a bit. If it's too loose, tighten slightly. Relax and enjoy the process. Change yarn color if you like after round 7. Round 8, 12 DC2 tog, double crochet 2 together, all around. You'll still have 24 stitches in total, but this helps shape the flower. Don't worry if it looks slightly different, it's part of creating dimension. In rounds 9 to 13, alternate between long stitches and extended long stitches according to the pattern. This adds texture and variety, making the tulip stand out. Take it slowly, stitch by stitch, especially if these stitches are new to you. Practice and patience are key. Now create the tulip petals. Round 14. In one stitch, work HDC, DC, HDC. That's one petal. Then do one SC in the next stitch as a separator. Repeat HDC, DC, HDC wherever you want another petal. Avoid extra HDC, CDC groups between petals. Just continue with single crochets until the next petal. Pull loops a bit taller on the DC for a nicer curve. After completing round 14, you'll see the flower shape forming. Gently adjust the petals with your fingers if needed. Small imperfections give it a handmade charm, so don't stress over it being perfect. For the leaf accent, chain 5 and work back. SC, HDC, HDC, 3 SC in one stitch, HDC, HDC, SC. This gives a quick leaf shape. Make more if you want a fuller look. Attach the leaf to the flower base or any spot you like using a yarn needle. Then add a string or small chain on one side for hanging, leaving the other side open for threading or adjusting your pouch. Slide in your AirPods case to ensure a good fit. Congratulations on reaching this point. Creating a detailed piece can be challenging, but your patience is worth it. A few more tips. Block your tulip lightly if you want it to hold its shape better. Customize with beads or small flowers, and consider gifting it to someone who loves handmade items. Thank you so much for joining me in this tulip-shaped AirPods pouch project. I'm really proud of you for taking on a new challenge and creating such a lovely piece. Whether you're a first-time crocheter or you've been doing this for years, every stitch you make is a step toward mastering this craft. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more fun crochet tutorials, and let me know in the comments how your project turned out. Remember, creativity has no limits, so stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.